Hey everyone, welcome back to another videos. Today I'll be explaining what is arcs and sectors and how to calculate arcs and sectors. So first of all, as we are already continuing the chapter 7.1, which is the part, so this will be chapter 7.1 part 3, which will be arcs and sectors. And how we calculate arcs and sectors, I will explain in this video. So if we take a circle and here we make a small triangle inside the main circle, so first we will be doing what is arcs. Now the small length as compared to the whole, because it's smaller than the other arc, this will be called as minor arc because it's a smaller arc as compared to the other arc. This will be the minor arc and this will be the major arc. Then this is the arc and this can also be known as or called as arc length. Second thing is the sectors. What is sectors? Sectors are the region contained between the two radii and is known as a sector. So this area or this area between the two radii, meaning one radii through second radii, is known as sector, and this is bigger as compared to this sector, so this will be called as major sector. Major sector, and this will be called as minor sector because it is smaller than the main or major one, so it will be called as minor and this will be called as major. So this is the difference between the two triangles or two sectors. One is the minor sector, second is the major sector, and the circumference of the smaller sector is known as minor arc and the larger or major sector's arc is known as major arc. So this is how we will be doing and discovering or finding out which is the major arc and minor arc using these steps. Now one of the example is if we have a main or major circle sector like this, and we have this angle which is 65. Okay, 1 second. If we have this as 65 and we have to use or calculate the angle for the major sector, not the minor sector. So what we will do is we will subtract 65 from 360, which will be 360 minus 65, which will be 295 degrees. Then we will calculate the area of the major sector. So area is equal to pi divided by 360 multiplied by radius, which is over here I mentioned. So the radius is 4 centimeter, so 4 square, and in this way we will be calculating here pi also because it's a circle, not a rectangle. So pi is equal to 41.189, and we have to write this in 3 significance, so it will be written as 41.2 centimeters squared. So this is how we will be calculating the area for major sector by using the angle for the minor sector. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to write in the comment section and I will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.